TURBOdesign1, we can start a new optimization using this option here. And we can select the target case, which is the baseline impeller, and the workflow, which is reactive response surface, and specify some optimization settings. And with that, let's open the various Optima related windows and rearrange them a bit first. So for the input parameters, we can see that the stream-wise loading parameters have been pre-selected, but we can remove some of them for this simple 2D blade shape. And we can also add the blade number because it has a major influence on the fan performance. And of course, it's possible to set the range of variation for the different input parameters as required. And finally, coming to the objectives, we want to minimize the profile and leakage loss in order to maximize efficiency, but at the same time we also want to keep the diffusion in check in order to suppress any flow separation. And with that, we are ready to start the optimization, which we can do by clicking the run button here. Now once the optimization is complete, which is very fast and only takes 10 minutes or so on an office workstation, we can see the Pareto front of optimum designs, from which we can pick and analyze any design of interest. And in this case, we select a design which shows considerable improvement in both profile loss and leakage loss. Now we can also check where our selected design sits in terms of the third objective or diffusion ratio, like this. And so the selected design can be expected to give a better efficiency, and then with this option we can generate the optimized design and then compare its performance parameters with the baseline impeller in the project manager window. And clearly all the objectives are much improved. And if we then compare the blade geometries in the 3D plot like this, then we can easily see that the optimized blade is clearly looking quite different from the baseline. And finally, this design can be exported for a CFD or FEA analysis. And in this way, a rapid automatic optimization can be performed in TURBOdesign1.